So yeah, this is Vision video number 2. You guys, I had to make 2 videos on this because I want to make sure you know what you have your hands on. Remember, back in 2010, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't have a team to mentor me. We didn't have any training modules like you have. We didn't have a brilliant marketing system like you have your hands on. And I was brand new and I had no idea what I was doing, but it changed my life forever. Okay? But what you have your hands on is a product that just got legalized. A product in an industry that's going to grow to a $20 billion industry. And you, in that industry right now, the most recognized name is HempWorx by far. There's no arguing it. We're the fastest growing home business on the planet. It's documented. We just got the award. And we have the world's best, most purest CBD products that are changing people's lives. And you're finding out about it on the ground floor. Remember, I made 6 figures at a company before. I didn't really have any mentors showing me and guiding me. I didn't have a system. I didn't have this brilliant marketing system to use. I didn't have products like we have where people take them daily and won't go without it. Okay? I didn't have all that. But I still went on to make 6 figures per year. And I had friends that made millions in that same time frame. However, they got started a year or 2 before me. And they made millions. That's the difference. And right now, you are joining at the right time, the sweet spot. All the hiccups are out. They're done. It's a well-oiled marketing machine. Everything's running smoothly. You didn't have to go through all the hiccups and the growing pains. And you have a company that's going to go to be the next billion-dollar company. And you have products that are life-changing, that everyone on your phone right now, people are praying for products like you have your hands on. People are praying. People that you know right now are praying for a way to make an extra $500 per month, and you have a way to show them how to do that this month. It's up to you to reach out to those people. You could build a massive organization with just referring a couple people. I'll give an example. Back in 2010, in that company I was telling you about, I was brand new to Bakersfield. I didn't know anybody. I met one guy from the gym, and he shared it with a couple of his friends. We went on to have hundreds of business partners in this town, and it all came from one person I met in the gym. So don't think that you have to go sign up 100 people over the next 6 months, okay? It starts with 4. Just go get 4 people that are excited, that are hungry, that want to be part of something big before it's big. Go get 4. And we'll teach you how to get those 4 people motivated so they can also go get 4. And what we have our system, what our hands on with our system and our marketing system, we could duplicate that. See, the key to massive success in network marketing is duplication. Okay? It's duplication. And we have a system. See, systems duplicate, but people don't. If you could use a system, you could get your friends and family to have success. But if you're the system, you can't teach your friends and family to do what you do. But if you use a system, we can. And that's what we have our hands on, you guys. We have the best leaders I've ever been part of. It's real important in leadership to have people that are hungry. See, our leadership's hungry because they recently came through a lot of paths like I did. They lost everything. Our leadership is crazy how we all aligned. We all have very similar stories. But right now, we're all hungry. And the best part about it is not only are we hungry, we're humble. See, we're like-minded people. And for me, I don't like to work with people that have egos. Our leadership are humble people. They care about you. There's no egos here, and that's so, so very important. We have the best leadership I've ever been around with. We have the best system, by far, best system I've ever seen. In fact, I think people will join our team just to utilize this system. This system that our team has access to will attract leaders from other companies because they're trying to do it all themselves. And they're not duplicating. But our system allows us to duplicate. And that's the only way to have massive success. So you guys, I'm going to leave you with this. Imagine back in 1933 when Prohibition came out and alcohol was legalized and all this stuff. Imagine knowing what you know today about all the sales and all the multi-millions of dollars that alcohol has created. Okay? And alcohol is bad for people. But imagine all the millionaires it's created. Just think if you had an opportunity back in 1933 to have your own online store. Let's pretend the internet was around back then. But you had a chance to have your own online store with the world's best alcohol. And all you had to do was share it with a few people, and you had an online store, and it tracks all your sales. And then when your friends want to have their online stores, and you can open up in every state, imagine how much wealth would have been created. What would you have done right now to be part of that back then? That was Prohibition. Right now it's Hempibition. And everybody you know in the next year or so is going to be taking this product daily. That's how fast it's growing. And right now you have a chance to be the one introducing every one of your friends to this wonderful product and incredible business platform. It's up to you. What are you going to do with it? Are you going to just share it with a few people? Or are you going to be like me and stand at the top of the mountain and share it with every single person I know? Because I know right now, I have 6 months to a 9-month window to capture the market share, in my warm market, to make sure just about everybody I know is under my umbrella. I'm going to work my butt off. I'm going to work harder than I've ever worked in this industry because I know what's possible. I know if I take massive action right now for the next 6 months to 9 months, it could change my family's financial legacy forever. I'm all in on this. I don't know if you've noticed. I'm all in. And I'm looking for a handful of people that say, I'm all in, I want to go to the top. Because I'm not going to the top without you. I'm not going to the top by myself. We got incredible leadership with this team, and we're going to the top together. We're just right now looking down at our team and looking for the hungry people. You got to be hungry. And we're looking for those people that are hungry. If you're hungry and you're coachable and you're ready to work, reach out to us and let us know you're hungry, because we're going to change massive amounts of lives. And I just hope these videos have inspired you to 10x your goals. Because we're not going to change your life. We're going to change the lives of the people you care about most. And we're going to do this together. And it's going to be easy if you want to make $200 to $400 per month. It's going to be fairly easy. In fact, it'll be easier than any other home business opportunity on the planet. You could probably do it with working a couple hours a week. But those of you that are hungry, it's going to take massive effort. And maybe you only want to work 30 minutes to an hour per day for the first 30 days. But when you start seeing success, you might say, hey, I'm ready now. I see what's possible. And those people that want to take massive action and work harder than you've ever worked before for the next 6 months to 9 months, reach out to us, because we're looking for leaders. We're looking for people that are hungry and humble and want to go to the top with us. Because this is the greatest opportunity I've ever seen, and I'm going to work it like I've never worked before. And I just hope that you're one of the people that climb to the top of this mountain with us. Bye-bye for now.